everybody, this is the Cheeseburger from Paradise Bros. And so today we are going to do a little challenge where, I take ingredients from around our house and AJ takes ingredients from around our house. And we put them in each other's mouths and we have to try to guess what they are. Let's go. Okay, so we'll see guys just in a second. Okay guys, so I'm going to go into our fridge and see what we should pick for our little challenge. So AJ's in the other room and he doesn't know anything of what I'm picking or anything. Okay? So let's pick some of this. I think that would be a good ingredient. And how about this? Looks pretty good. They'll go for a little easy one, of course. You don't want to make him too mad at me. I guess I could put a good ingredient, I guess.
Come on.
Okay. And we're going to put 5 ingredients. So I believe I have 4. Let me go check. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I have 4 ingredients. Okay, and I need one last thing. How about some of this? Looks pretty good. Okay, so now it's AJ's turn to come and pick of what he wants to put in his bucket. So, see, this is AJ's.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna be picking up some items for Alex. So let's go to his freezer. Ooh, get all the delicious choices. Let's take them with some yogurt. Very cherry. So right there. Okay. So let's do some. Let's try. See, we go with an easy one. Let's go with some easy one. Go with some halos. Come on. It's a little technical difficult, but we got it right there. So, what else? Okay. Are these bones? No. Let's not give it Alex. Okay, what else? Okay, so, we'll get some, let's give him some watermelon. Yeah, just get the waffles quick. Okay, what else should we pick? This. I will definitely not win this challenge, but well, I'm definitely not gonna win this challenge. Give him some really easy stuff, but the last one is probably gonna make it even difficulter. Probably. I won't never eat that. That would have been a bad banana. Let's go with this. Popcorn. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we'll see you back here in a minute with all of our items.
Hey guys, okay, so now we're back and AJ hid his items and I hid mine, and so I'm going to put the blindfold on and he's going to go get his items and we're going to start off, okay?
Alright, so you saw what my items are. I will feed him what I want first. Okay?
You can get a fork if it's something you put on a fork.
Okay? Some of these might be put on the fork. Some will be put on the spoon.
way, guys, I can't see anything.
So, yeah. Alright. So, we'll get... So, Alex is like completely hidden right here. Hold on.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna need some forks. Feed you stuff.
I love food. I legitimately
Alright.
can't see anything.
Alright, so. Well, sorry about that. Okay, so. Let's go back a little. Alright. So, my first item is. Put in your hand.
Oh.
Can you guess what that item is?
Oh, watermelon.
Got it.
That was an easy one.
I know, I gave you quite a bit of easy ones, but you're not going to expect this one. Hold on, I might need to get a spoon. Okay. Alright, so you're going to have to grab the spoon for this one. Wait. Hold on. Got to open it. Alright. Grab the spoon.
Is that pie?
No, it is yogurt.
Oh!
Close.
Not really.
Okay. Our next item is this. Alright, so you're gonna have to grab this item.
That's not this.
Alright.
Oh, I know what this one is.
Oh no. Oh no.
Cupcake.
Yeah, alright. So, go to our next item. Little sticky fingers. Alright, grab it with your hand. Here you go.
Carrot.
Oh, give him too many easy ones.
Okay, so it's my turn?
Nope, we got one more.
Okay. Okay, so what's the next one?
You'll find out. You're gonna have to hold this with your hands.
I know what it is. I can smell it. It's an orange.
Okay, you got it right. Here's your replacement.
Mm.
Alright, so Alex got 4 for 5 right. So, it will be my turn next.
Okay. That was actually really fun. Okay, AJ, yours are going to be a little bit tougher. Oh, well, that probably could fit. Or not. Do you need me to try it?
No, I'm alright.
I'm going to get new.
Alright, I cannot see anything now. I just did that wink to show you I'm ready.
Okay. I'm going to get a new spoon and a new fork for yours.
Yeah, I don't want to get sickness.
Okay. So let's start off with the easy one. So this is gonna be pretty easy. Oh, close your eyes.
Okay, where is it?
I'm not done. I need to get it out of
Okay.
whatever it's in.
Oh, I think I can smell it. Or that might be from the one from the last one.
Here you go.
Cutie.
Yep. Okay. Now we'll give him something nice to flush it down. Not done. This one's gonna be a. Oh no.
Ah. Some type of Is it jelly?
Yep, it's jelly.
Oh, I'm surprised I got one. I had to think of it.
Now these last 3 are going to be a lot harder.
Uh-oh. That was hard. The last one was pretty hard.
Okay, put your finger out and put some on. And just a little bit on.
Ah! Is that hot sauce?
No,
Sour cream. Oh.
that's not sour cream. Here, I'll give you something to flush it down.
Give me something good. I'm like ready to drool. Give me some jalapeno. Give me a ring. Give me a ring.
Here's a control cup. Here's something nice to flush it down with. Can you guess what it was?
Is that a cup?
Yes, it's a drool cup. Okay, here's something nice to flush it down with.
Alright.
This is actually really nice.
Okay, guys, so I won that challenge because AJ couldn't keep the wasabi sauce and the chocolate syrup down. So, yay for me. If you guys could put in the comments below #epic, that would be great. And please smash that subscribe button and leave a big fat thumbs up. So, bye guys.